You're about to discover 3 things your team can do from home right now to help you build your practice and recover financially, and we're starting right now.
And now, Amazon #1 best-selling author, Dr. Tom, the Gems Guy, Orent.
Greetings from Planet Gems. I'm Dr. Tom Orent, aka the Gems Guy, and welcome to the Dental Goldmine. Whether you've been with me for decades on the planet, or maybe you just landed here for the first time, if you're a dentist and you have at least 1 or 2 team members who would be happy to work from home to help you to rebuild your practice, then you are in the right place. Gem number 3, Bun Warmers. So what are Bun Warmers? Well, did you ever go into a restaurant, you're tired, you're hungry, you sit down, and the first thing the server does brings over to your table a little wicker basket. It's got a plaid cloth covering the wicker basket, and you peel back the cloth, and what do you say? Hot bread. What a great way to start a meal. So what's a dental bun warmer anyway? Well, in each of my practices, each of us, the doctors and the team members, at the end of the day, would choose 2 patients, and we would write a bun warmer. It was just a special little personal note, handwritten, something about the visit, maybe something that we learned about their family that day, just to connect. We used to get wonderful feedback from our patients on these handwritten, hand-addressed, personalized notes. So how would I use that today during this international crisis? Well, I would have maybe 2 team members write 10 bun warmer notes, choose 10 patients each day. That's 20 notes each day, personalized, handwritten notes going to your patients. That's 100 each week. In just a few short weeks, you're going to get a lot of patients with really, really nice feeling about the practice and about your team, and it's just a really nice way to reconnect. Just something really short, hoping that you and Bob and the family are safe and healthy. Take great care of yourselves. If you're finding this helpful, please click the like button and also share this with your team and with other dentists. Dr. Gordon Christensen wrote the foreword to my 4th book, Transform Your Dental Practice from Coal Mine to Gold Mine. It's on Amazon for $16.97, but I'm happy to send it to you for free. My thanks for your being here with me on the Dental Goldmine. I'll even cover the shipping. 2 gems in the book could increase your annual revenue by $50,000. While available, claim your free book at freegemsbook.com, link in the description below. For a deep vein of practice-boosting gems, subscribe to Dental Goldmine and make sure you hit the bell notification so you won't miss a thing. Gem number 2, find new patients right where they are right now. Who is your most outgoing team member, the one who just loves to chat with patients? Have that team member put on some scrubs and shoot 2 or 3 minute videos on stuff that patients would love to learn about. New patients are looking for you right now on YouTube. How do I know that? Well, because YouTube is the number 2 largest search engine in the entire world, and they're owned by the number 1 search engine, Google. If just one of your team members working from home posted a short little 3-minute video on YouTube every day, in just 2 weeks, you would have 10 evergreen new patient magnets. Want to know how to name your YouTube channel so that local patients will find you? Watch Dental Practice Marketing on YouTube, link in the description below. 20 plus years ago, I created my own perfect storm. $1 million in debt, embezzled, divorced, 3 days from bankruptcy. I was a good dentist, but I could barely feed my family. Then I discovered a gem, and then another. And I turned my practice and my life around. In fact, at age 46, I sold my practices and I could have retired forever. But I love sharing gems. If you're not a Gems family member, I would be happy to help you build your practice and your income. Come join me here on Planet Gems. While available, take a free test drive of Gems membership. Visit dentalgoldmine.com, link in the description below. Gem number 1, prepare to reboot your practice stronger than ever. What you and your team do during the next 5 weeks could determine the health of your practice for the next 5 years. Now, coronavirus, it's going to pass. You'll be back to practice as usual. However, what you do right now, the actions you take, could have a profound effect on your financial recovery. Pick a date that you think you'll be back to work for the new normal. It doesn't matter if you're exactly right, you could always move it up or back as you need to. Have your team call every recall patient and schedule hygiene. Have your team call every restorative patient and jam-pack doctor's schedule. Think about, remember what it was like the last time you took a 7 or a 10-day vacation. That next Monday when you came back, there was literally no place to put anybody. While you're making those calls, consider adding an extra day, maybe even an evening or a Saturday and some morning hours. Expand your schedule. Add a specialist, endo, perio, or ortho. The difference financially to your practice will be amazing, not just because that specialist is going to be cranking out some good numbers, but also you, doctor, will be freed up to do more restorative. Only those practices who plan right now are going to be able to recover quickly after the virus has passed. If you're a GEMS family member, I've detailed exactly how to find, negotiate with, and hire a specialist. Visit Underground Team Training Toolkit number 14. Add $50,000 net profit without lifting a finger. You may also ask your personal GEMS concierge for help. If you're a GEMS family member, see my updated call script, exactly what your team should say, specific for calls made during the coronavirus crisis. Again, while available, take a free test drive of GEMS membership. Visit dentalgoldmine.com. There's a link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a thing. When you subscribe and hit notifications, YouTube will let you know when I release my next video. If this was helpful, please click like, and I'd really appreciate if you could share this with your team and other doctors via email, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks for joining me here on the Dental Goldmine, and remember, you are only one gem away